This 2022 Keystone Outback 302 UBH Ultralight is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Camden interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, external shower, smoke detector, LP detector, oven, TV antenna, skylight, DVD player, self-contained, microwave, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Outback 302 UBH Ultralight is 7,340 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Outback 302 UBH Ultralight. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.